Okay, I got one, but it's not as small as the one that he had. He told us which order to go in, but I think he went this way. So I'm gonna start with this one up here first. Not that it makes a difference, but it's like, yeah, I don't know what it's like. You know, it's really tight. What's going on? Ready to go up? Take this one off. It's late here, guys. What, 9 o'clock? Today's the 21st. And I'm out here fooling in the garage. Oh. Boy, boy. Hate for this to come off. I'll be up in a minute.
Take your time.
Yeah, it ain't gonna take me long.
Take your time.
Let's see here. Let's see. I might need two tools. You know how they do when you're operating board. Say what you can. I say what you can't do with your hand. Get yourself a tool. I don't want to break that off. But if it breaks, there you go. And so take this off. Take this off. Alright, so I got these all off. Now he says these got to come out. This got to come out. I don't know why I'm taking this off. Because I don't think anything's wrong with that. I could have just took the whole damn thing off as a unit. Not even disconnected those things. Because I don't think there's anything wrong with these solenoids. But I'm going to do what he said. Take this off. Put that back in. Put it in the box. Couple more minutes here, guys, and I'll be done. Oh man, now I got to go and find. Now I got to go and find the right screw to go on here. That's gonna take some time. Let me see. I should have put my tools over here before I got started, but that's hard-headed. I didn't do it. So let me pause it and I'll get back with you.